Hurricane Melissa just became the strongest storm in recorded history, with 185 miles per hour winds, and thousands of tourists are now completely trapped in what was supposed to be paradise. 25,000 people went to Jamaica for vacation, and now they're living through an absolute nightmare. The airports are destroyed, the roads are underwater, and rescue teams can't even get to them. Entire towns have just vanished under the floodwater. But here's the crazy part that nobody's talking about. While everyone's focused on Jamaica, Hurricane Melissa is heading straight for Cuba next, and 735,000 people are being forced to evacuate right now. That's almost 750,000 people running for their lives. The storm is so powerful that flight tracking maps are showing something absolutely wild. There are still planes flying directly into the eye of the hurricane. These aren't rescue missions. They're weather reconnaissance flights with pilots literally flying into the most dangerous storm on Earth to collect data. Meanwhile, Florida airports are already cancelling flights, even though the hurricane is still hundreds of miles away. Miami International is basically shutting down because they know what's coming. The scariest part is that meteorologists are calling this a once-in-a-lifetime event, but climate scientists are warning that storms like this might become the new normal. What we're seeing in the Caribbean right now could be a preview of what coastal cities everywhere will face in the coming decades. Those vacation photos from Jamaica last week now look like they're from a completely different world. Paradise literally got erased from the map in less than 24 hours, and thousands of people are learning that nature doesn't care about your travel insurance.